Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook easy peel shrimp. First, ensure your frozen easy peel shrimp are properly thawed. You can let them sit in the refrigerator overnight or use cold running water for around 20 minutes. Once thawed, rinse the shrimp under cold water. It is very important to thoroughly pat them dry using paper towels to ensure a beautiful sear and prevent them from steaming in the pan. Now, let's season our shrimp to perfection. For 1 pound of shrimp, sprinkle on a ½ teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Don't forget to add about a ¼ teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper for fundamental flavor. You can also include a dash of cayenne pepper for a subtle warmth. Gently toss the shrimp to coat them evenly. The key to perfectly cooked shrimp is a hot pan. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter to a large skillet and heat it over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place the seasoned shrimp in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook them for about 1 to 2 minutes on the first side, then flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are opaque and pink. Knowing when your shrimp are done is crucial to avoid a rubbery texture. Properly cooked shrimp will turn a beautiful opaque pink and curl into a loose C shape. If they curl into a tight O shape, they are likely overcooked. Remove them from the heat immediately. Enjoy your perfectly cooked easy peel shrimp as a quick weeknight meal, tossed into pasta, or even as a flavorful addition to fresh salads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.